Good morning. It is so pretty out here. Holy cow. I'm up here in a new area that I haven't done a ton of exploring in before. I came up here for the first time last summer, just doing a couple days of camping, but I didn't really get the chance to get out much to explore. So thought I'd come out this morning, see what I could find. A ton of birds out right now. It's been awesome. It's just fun listening to them. And, your squirrels, chipmunks, all that stuff. Heard some pika in the area, so I'll probably go see if I can get some pictures of some pika. But unfortunately, here in the next hour or so, I'm gonna have to start heading home already. Got some stuff I gotta do today, and so I've got about an hour out here left, so I'm gonna see what pictures we can get. Oh, there's a squirrel right there. Let's go see if we can find him. Let's see what pictures we can get, kind of explore this new area, see what we can find. Super pretty out here. I'm just loving it. Gorgeous, gorgeous morning. All right, let's go.
In the great outdoors, forever free, you and me, meant to be. In the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. In the great outdoors, forever free.
Oh man, what an awesome morning. That was such a cool walk. Found a couple different woodpecker holes. That's super exciting. It's that time of year when a lot of these birds up here are going to start nesting. So if I could find a woodpecker nest, that would be so cool. I photographed a couple before, but I was only able to spend like half an hour, 45 minutes at each. So I just got some pretty basic pictures, but if I could find a nest up here before the little ones get too big, that would be awesome. And a lot of juncos out right now, little tiny songbirds. They're super Super pretty. They're pretty active though, so they're hard to get pictures of sometimes. But yeah, just an awesome morning. I did see 2 different species of woodpecker as well. Saw a northern flicker and a downy woodpecker. So yeah, again, if I could find a woodpecker nest, that'd be awesome. Spent some time with some pika. I did find those pika. It was pretty awesome to see those and get some pictures. And a little chipmunk came in and kind of stole the show there for a minute. But yeah, awesome morning. No bears or anything like that, but wasn't expecting any. It's fun to be out here, and I love the little animals as much as I love the big ones. So yeah, just awesome morning. Fun being out here in nature. Gotta love it. All right, we'll catch you next time.
In the great outdoors.